Welcome to this video on NSE Trading Series Explained. We will decode the various stock categories like EQ, BE, and BZ in the Indian stock market to help you better manage your risk and trading strategies. What are trading series codes? These codes, such as EQ, BE, and BZ, appear before stock names on the NSE. They define your trading rights by indicating liquidity, settlement rules, and regulatory compliance for that specific stock. EQ stands for Standard Equity Series, the default for most investors. It allows for both intraday and delivery trades and represents standard equity shares. This is the common choice for retail and long-term investors. BE, or book entry, signifies trade-to-trade stocks. Trading is strictly delivery only, meaning no intraday trading is allowed. Applied to high volatility stocks, transactions are settled on a T+2 basis, requiring 100% upfront payment or shares. BZ is the Z group, which demands extreme caution. The Z indicates non-compliance with exchange agreements or regulations. Trading is delivery only, banning intraday and BTST. These companies may be under strict regulatory scrutiny. Here is a quick comparison. EQ allows intraday trading and is for standard equity. BE and BZ do not allow intraday trading, with BE for high volatility control and BZ indicating regulatory issues or high risk. Other common series codes include BL for block deals, designed for large institutional transactions with high minimum value requirements. BT, or book transfer, is a rare exit route for selling physical shares, limited to 500 shares per trade. These codes matter for several reasons. They are crucial for risk management, providing immediate compliance warnings like the BZ code, and ensuring you meet settlement obligations to avoid penalties. In conclusion, a smart investing principle is to always check the series code before you click buy. It is the key to understanding your liquidity, risk exposure, and trading obligations for that specific stock. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this explanation of NSE trading series codes helps you trade smarter.